Hello friends, today I am going to talking about how to build animation in website without knowing complex animation technique. Normally when we create the animation, we need write a many lines of code using CSS, keyframe or transition and other animation properties. But in this video, I will show very simple and easy method to add animation to your website. For this tutorial, I am using library called AOS, Animated On Screen. This library helps us add beautiful animation when we scroll the website. The best part is we do not need to write a lot of CSS code. First, let me show my portfolio website. In this website, I add the animation using AOS. You can see that I scroll the page, the text image sections animated smoothly. Now I will show you the same website without the animation. Okay, let's see how to install AOS in your project. First, open your terminal, run npm install AOS. Run this command. After run this command, you open app.jsx, import AOS from AOS and import CSS. AOS this AOS.css. After the import, using use effect, run this line. AOS init duration 18 seconds. The AOS init means installation of the AOS and duration is 18 millisecond. 800 millisecond means 8 second duration animations. And open your components which part of your with part of your ptext or div or made animation. You can write data AOS fade up, fade in, like example data slash OS fade up. So data does OS zoom in. After add this like data slash OS zoom in. These are many animations like fade up, fade down, fade left, fade right, zoom in, flip left, slide up. We can add this line to animation the our components. Like if I go to navbar sections, we add the fade down. First H2 section is add div tag is add fade right. Now we remove this. Now go to our website. We now run the website. We see animation is removed. Now you see the Lisa div class animation is removed. Now add the animation. Now I am add the animation. Go to website, see add the animation. This animation is added using the data slash AOS fade right, fade up, and extra like zoom in, flip left, side up. You differently animation, see which one fit your website designs. So with the few lines of the code, we can add the professional animation to our website. We need to write long CSS animation code for our key framework. That is the advantage of the AOS. AOS means animation on screen. This video is today that is the today video. I hope tutorial helps to understanding the how to add animation to your React website. If you found this website helpful, like this video, comment your thoughts, share it with friends, and do not forget to subscribe for more web development tutorials. Thank you for watching.